Hi everybody, this is Mandy with Mandy's Adventures. Well, today's adventure brings me into Joplin, Montana, which is known as the biggest little town on earth. So if you are along the High Line, you need to stop into this town. But for this weekend, I am here at the Art in the Park and the Joplin Car Show. So come on this fun adventure with me. Let's go.
Singing my song, don't miss me. No, I don't think they don't miss me. Well, they call me the Nashville Rebel. They say leave that boy alone. Don't you give him advice or he'll turn to ice. You might as well talk to stone. But I've got things to do and things to say in my own way. Well, I don't have time for your parties or love's little guessing games. I got songs to write in the still of the night, and I was born to write and sing. And I got things to do and things to say in my own way. Nashville Rebel. Little girl, don't you waste your time, 'cause I've given my heart to this old guitar, and you deserve a better love than mine. And I've got things to do and things to say in my own way. Yes, I am the Nashville Rebel. I'm a loner and I like it fine. Like to have a wife, live a normal life, but I just don't have the time. And I got things to do and things to say in my own way. Yes, I've got things to do and things to say in my own way. Trying to make a living and doing the best I can. When it's time for leaving, I hope you'll understand that I was born a rambling man. But my father was a gambler down in Georgia, and he wound up on the long end of a gun. And I was born in the backseat of a Greyhound bus rolling down Highway 41. Lord, I was born a rambling man, trying to make a living and doing the best I can. When it's time for leaving, I hope you understand. leaving out of Nashville, Tennessee. They're always having a good time on the bayou, and Delta women think the world of me. Lord, I was born a rambling man, trying to make a living and doing the best I can. When it's time to leave, and I hope you'll understand that I was born a rambling man. Lord, I was born a rambling man. Thank you. Very kind. On a Greyhound bus, Lord, I'm traveling this morning. Yeah, I'm going to Shreveport and down to New Orleans. Traveling these highways, I've been doing things my way. It's been making me lonesome. Now her hair was jet black, and her name was Goldie. But she was the queen of the Basil Street Queens. She got tired of that smoky wine drink and began to feel lonesome on the end.
All right, you guys, that was it here in Joplin, Montana. What a fun little town. You don't have to wait for an event to happen. If you are traveling along the High Line on Highway 2, drop in at Joplin, Montana. Google these small towns and it will tell you exactly what's here, because some of them do have museums that we are so lucky to have. I really enjoyed my time here. I was here for about 2 or 3 hours and I was looking at all the cars, and I did all the vendors and the art shows, and the vendors are, oh my gosh, they're so talented, and the things that they make, and the people are so friendly, so friendly. So definitely worth a stop. Anyway, on that note, thanks for coming on the adventure with me. Until I see you again, take care, love one another, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, because it does help my channel to grow, and it's free, you guys. It's free, and I've got so many things planned for us all.